Oh boy, there is a storm on. This close.
Later this hour, our Suji Nam is joining us live with a look at some of the aftermath there.
Plus, cleanup efforts are underway after the storm passed through the Bay Area last night.
So we've got a king tide today, combined with a storm surge, and it is really kicking. I mean, this was the most severe storm that we've experienced so far. This broke. This thing fell down. It didn't hit this boat though. And then some more damage over here, but let's see what we can see. Yeah. It's a storm. Well, the wind is back up. And we've got some serious waves coming in here. Oh boy, it's very calm now. Storm is over. So calm now. So if you look at this pylon, if you need to, you can go back in the video and see how high we were on this pylon. So the boat was like way up there doing all that crazy business. But we did not experience any damage at all. Not at all. And there was a tornado warning. It was a tornado in Santa Cruz, which is like 100 miles that way, or less actually. Flipped over cars. So that was really something. So I want to talk a little bit about dock lines. You can see here from the bow, there's two lines here. One of those is a shadow. One runs from the bow to about the middle of the boat on the dock, and the other one runs straight across this way. Now the other side is exactly the same. And if we go back here, we can see that there is another line there from the middle going to the stern, and then there's a line right there, and you notice that one is loose. So normally they're all about the same tension, but with the big waves coming through, the boat was hobby horsing a lot, where the bow and stern were alternating, going up and down, and that was shock loading these lines here at the ends of the boat. So I loosened those up and tightened these lines to the middle. And then what happens is the boat will sort of pivot around that middle point. And you get a lot less shock going to your cleats and the dock, especially in that situation where, you know, I mean, God, so much force, these ropes a few times, just so much tension, it just make you like cringe. It's hard to explain. But yeah, so I was actually pretty happy with how the boat moved considering the conditions. So yeah, there's a tip for you.